today we will discuss about two most popular AI tools. Like name is ChatGPT and DeepSeeks. I think you all are aware about these tools because in today's trend, like currently from last 2 3 days, we are seeing DeepSeeks advertisement or DeepSeek videos everywhere. So today we will compare both the tools on a same query. We will provide a same questions to both the tools and we will compare like which one is providing the best answer in case of faster response and as well as the best precise result.
So let's compare both the tools. First, I will check with DeepSeek. I'm going to raise a question. Suppose right arrow icon with top circle. I need a arrow icon with top circle. Yeah, it's providing this right icon with top circle. Yeah, I think it fulfills my requirement. Let's check with ChatGPT also. Just open the ChatGPT. Yeah, go to the niche search, right icon with top circle. Let's wait for the result. It's not providing anything. It's giving some description. So you can assume like which AI model is working fine and which is giving fast and precise answers. So no doubt DeepSeek is the winner.
Hi friends, if you like my video please subscribe my channel and thank you so much for watching.